Diana, welcome to my channel. So today I have taken you to the bathroom. Weird, right? The thing is, I've got one thing that drives me insane in my bathroom, and it's a weird one. But you know, I've gotten very nitpicky lately, and so here we are. Anyway, let me show you. These are my door hinges on my bathroom. And they just, they're rusty. Just look at that. Ugh. The only thing shiny is the screws. Blah, I hate it. So I've got two in this room that I have to replace. But if I replace those two, then I have to replace the other two on the door, or else it will just look bizarro, because the new ones are, of course, nice shiny brass, look fantastic, and so the other two hinges on the door will look awful. I have a door here behind me, and then I have a door going into our bedroom area, each with a rusty hinge that is just driving me crazy. So I bought a pack of 12 at Home Depot, 20 bucks. You can get them online too. And the only tool you need for this repair is a screwdriver, a Phillips head, and a little bit of time. I mean, like this much time. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Let's get started with this repair. Right, so my first concern is that I am doing this repair on my own, so I have no helper to help hold up the door. So what I've done is I've added mats underneath the door, and these are holding it up, and these are just a couple of pieces of my exercise mats from the basement. The next step is just to remove the screws, and we'll do that now. So this is just a basic Phillips head screwdriver. Turn, turkey. All right. Oh, this one's a little stubborn. I got it. Look at that. That look awful. It's dirty too. Guess my house isn't as clean as I think. So now I have my new hinge and 6 new screws. Make sure before you buy your replacement hinges that you measure, just to make sure it's going to fit. And look at that, easy as pie. And yes, I could also do this with our little battery-powered screwdriver. I just wanted to show you that you can do this with some simple tools too. It doesn't have to be a complicated repair. Let's wrap this up, shall we? And that's one down. Now, doesn't that look so much better than that? Ugh. Plus it matches my doorknob. Yay. So a small repair like this can make a world of difference when you're doing something like trying to sell your house or anything like that. It doesn't cost very much money. You can get them each for just a couple of bucks at your local home repair store, and you can change them out like that. So, an easy peasy DIY. Like and subscribe.